Now we are going to see addition and subtraction of fraction. Solve first question. A 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. So if the denominator is same, you have to add the what? Numerator. So 1 plus 1, you can get 2 by 18. If you want to make it as a simplest form, you can do that. So I'm going to do 2 by 18. So it's divided by, the common factor is 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 both the what? Numerator as well as the denominator. I'm going to take a common factor, that is 2. So 2 is going to divide 2. Now 2 by 18 is going to divide by 2. That means the numerator as well as the denominator is going to divide by 2. So 2 is a common factor. So 2 is divided by 2, you can get 1. 18 is divided by 2, you can get 9. So the answer is 1 by 9. It is the simplest form of this. Simplest form. Okay. 2 by 18, simplest form is 1 by 9. That's all. The answer is correct. The second question, B question. Again, that is 7 minus 7 subtraction 5 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 minus 5 divided by 7. Denominator is similar. You must write only one time. So you have to subtract the what? Numerator, because numerator is different but the denominator is similar, means you have to look at the sign. So what is the sign here? Sign is subtraction. So you have to subtract only the numerators. For this, denominator is different only, you must take the LCM. But if the denominator are similar, you have to see only the numerator and also the sign. Okay, first denominator is similar. So look at the sign. What is the sign? In between what? Addition sign. So you have to add the numerator. Here the denominator is similar, but you have to look at the sign. Sign is subtraction. So you have to what? You have to subtract the numerator only. So 7 minus 5. So the answer is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is the right answer for the question. And C question, 3 minus 12 by 5. So what is this? 3. So what the denominator is, there is no number in the denominator, so you have to consider as 1. Now, okay, what is this? Look at the denominators. Denominators are different, so you have to take the LCM. So 1 into 5. So LCM is what? 1 into 5. You can get 5. So what is this? 5 is a LCM. 5 is a LCM. 5 is a LCM. So 3 by 1. So here you have to multiply by 5, because you have to change the what? You have to change the common LCM. So you have to change the denominator as 5. So that is the reason. So there is no number. You have to assume the denominator is 1. So 1 into 5, you can get what? 5. And 3 into 5, you can get 15. Okay, next is 12 by 5. So you know the denominator is already 5. Denominator is already 5. So you have to multiply by 1. If the denominator is multiplied by 1, the numerator is also multiplied by 1. So 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So the common denominator is, common LCM is 5. So now in both what? The denominator are, now both the denominator are similar. So you have to what? Subtract only the numerator. The numerator is 15 minus 12. So the answer is what? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the right answer for the question, because here 3 is a whole number. That is the only reason you don't have any denominator. So you have to make this whole number as a fraction. So that is the reason you must put a what? Division. After that you have to put 1. Okay, you have to make it as fraction. So 3 divided by 1. So 1 is a assumed number. After that you have to take a LCM. So 1 into 5, you can get 5. So you have to make these two LCM are different. So you know that LCMs are different. So you have to make these two numbers as a common what? LCM. Common factor. Sorry, not common factor, common LCM. So 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So that is the reason this denominator 1 as make it as this denominator 1, it make it as what, 5. So this number is multiplied by 5. This denominator multiply this one is a denominator. So this denominator, this one as a denominator. This number is multiplied by 5. So the numerator is also multiplied by 5. So 3 into 5 you can get 15, and 1 into 5 you can get 5, and 12 by 5. So already the denominator is 5. So what you are going to do, you have to multiply by 1, 5 into 1 and 12 into 1, you can get 12 by 5, 15 by 5 and 12 by 5. Now both denominators are similar, so you have to subtract only the numerator, because here what sign it is, subtraction sign. So you have to subtract only the numerator. 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12, you can get 3 by 5. So the answer is what, 3 by 5 is a exact what, right answer for this question. Otherwise you can write it here. 3 by 5 is the right answer for the C question. Now we are going to do the D sum. So here 1 plus 2 by 3, this is a question. So what is this? There is no, this is a whole number. So you must make this whole number as a fraction. So 1 divided by 1 and 2 divided by 3. So what is this? You have to take a LCM. So 1 into 3 you can get 3. So this is what, LCM. Then 1 divided by 1. So this number, this denominator, it make it as 3, because 3 is a common LCM. So 1 into 3. So that if the denominator is multiplied by 3, the numerator is also multiplied by 3. So 3 by 3 you can get. Next is what? 2 by 3. So here you have to multiply by 1. So already the denominator is 3. So you have to multiply by 1 only. So numerator, what is the number? 2. So it is also multiplied by 1. So answer is 2 by 3. Now we are going to add the what? Now we are going to add the what, numerators, because now the denominators are similar. So you have to add only the numerators. So 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So what is this? So 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now the denominator is similar. So you have to add only the numerators. Now you must add only the numerators. So 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So the answer is what? 5 by 3. This is the right answer for the question. So for this question, the answer is what? For this question, 1 plus 2 by 3, the answer is 5 by 3. This is the exact answer for the question. So I think so you understand the concept very clearly. Go through the videos also.